Morning fam, welcome back to Betting Specialist YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do UK49 weekly analysis by utilizing the new created website. At the end of this video, I will give you a full view of which of the following categories of numbers played more or less between the colors and families and section. So let's get started. So this is the website I already introduced to you last week. We are going to utilize it to do our weekly analysis, and we'll need the results under this website or any website. But I decided to choose this website since you are able to choose whether you need the results for the new added draw, which is branch time and drive time. So for this video, I'll be focusing on the normal lunchtime and tea time. So let's go to our results and see how we do it. Remember, we start from Sunday, which is the 22nd of March. So we'll scroll until we reach the 22 of March 2026 results. So we'll copy these results, we paste it here, then we add the commas, then we'll start with the color again, get matches. We see we have red, so it means we'll change this one into 2 since we have 2 red doubles. Then we go back to the site again, we do families, we have families of 2, then we'll go to the family table, we have families of 2, right 1, then we move to section, so we'll select section and we get the results. So we have 3 numbers from section 6, then we go back to the table. Under section, we write section 6, write 1. Then we need to finish the color. So the next step is to check how many red appeared, whether it's a double or not, just to check how many numbers in the red appeared. So we'll go to the site, the result site, and you see we have 5 red, so we're going to write 5 here. Since we already did the blue double, we saw we didn't have any double, so we write 0, but we'll check how many blue appeared, so we have 1, then we write 1. Again, on yellow we don't have any double, so we'll go and check how many yellow appear for this day. We only have 1. Then we write 1. So already we know we don't have double for orange, but we'll just check how many numbers in orange that appear. We have 1 and 2, so we'll write 2. Then we know we don't have double on green. We'll just go and check how many green numbers appear on Sunday, and we see we have only 1, so we'll write 1 here. And again on purple, we know we don't have a double. Let's see how many people appear. We have 2, so we'll write 2 here. Then on brown, we also don't have any double. Let's check how many brown balls. We get 2, so we'll write 2 here. So that's how you fill this table. Then the most important part, if you will be using Excel, you can either use a paper to write them down, or you use the spreadsheet as I'm doing. So this is what you need to add. You will need to add a formula for sum. Then this is what you will do. So this formula will be used to calculate and give us the sum, the total for this knot. So to fast track the process, you just copy the formula, then you paste it, then you will use a autofill. So that's how you will be getting your total, so that immediately you enter the results on the other dates like Monday, Wednesday, and then you'll simply get the total calculated for you automatically. You'll also do the same thing here under family. You add your equals to, then you add your sum, then you highlight until Sunday, then you'll get your total. You copy this formula and paste it underneath, then you use your auto fill to get the total of the other dates. So to make this video short, I'll just do all the results and came back with the final results. So here's the final summary. Under color, we can see we have blue that played only twice doubles and it appeared 11 times, and we also have the green color which also played twice the double and appeared 11. So if you prefer to play colors, it means you will be pairing either blue or green. Remember, the website already have an option to pair. So this is what you will do if you will be going for those colors. You'll go to pairing and you enter your color. For example, let's use the green. So I know green numbers, it's 8, 15, 22, and I think it's 43 and 36. And also 1. I can't remember the last one. Yeah, but if you will just check with your colors, then you will go to pairing. So you'll see if you pair them, it will give you 15. But I know pairing 7 numbers should give you 21 when you are doing doubles. So since I forgot one number here, that's why we are getting 15 pairs. So after entering the numbers from same color, you'll click generate combination, then you'll have your pairs. So let's move on. So under families, we can see we have families of 1 that have never played since from Sunday, and we also have families of 5 and families of 9. So if you'll be playing families, you'll do the same thing. You'll go to the site and go to pairing, you enter your numbers under that same family, then you get your pairs. Or if you have a banker, then you wanna play with families, the website allows you to do so. So let's say, for example, I have a number which is my bank, and then I wanna pair with the family. So you'll select one banker if you have one banker. Maybe let's say my banker it's 46. Then I wanna pair this 46 with either families of 5, for example. So you enter your families of 5. And you will select whether you want 2 numbers or 3 numbers. So if you go for 3 numbers, you'll select triple, and then you generate combination. Then you will get your results like this. So under section, we can see all the section they did play, but there is this one section which only appeared once, and the rest of the section appeared maybe from twice, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So from the previous videos that I did, that I prefer section than colors. So if I were to play any section, it means I was going to choose section 9, since the one that played only once, and then the rest they played maybe 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. And if you can see, the last time section 9 played, it was on a Tuesday, and then the rest of the section they played somewhere around Friday, Saturday, and Thursday. So this one is the one that played a little way longer than all the other section. So my prediction for today is to go with section 9, unless you have any banker or other numbers to play. So that's all for today. Remember guys to like and share this video so that others can also learn.